Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change channel name in Slack. Now, at first, what you have to do is just open up your application Slack or just open up any of your browser and go to slack.com. From there, just go ahead and open up the workspace in which the channel name you want to change. Now, from here, I got multiple channels. For example, let's say I want to change this one, All Tech. Now, to change the channel name for this, I gotta be inside this. Then from here, I gotta go ahead and click on the get channel details from here. So I'll just click on that. And after that, I got multiple tabs over here. One called about, one called members, one called tabs, one called settings. I can either go in settings or go in about. From this both places, I can find channel name. And to edit or change the channel name, I can just click on edit. Now from here, let's say I can type a new channel name named Hello World. And after that, I can just click on Save Changes and the channel name will be changed. It's that simple. And basically that is how to change channel name in Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.